A brief history of reggae music, first Jamaica, then the world. Reggae comes from the term reggae, which means rags or ragged clothes. And this gives you your first clue into the story behind reggae music. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. When it started out in Jamaica around the late 1960s, reggae music was considered a ragtag hodgepodge of other musical styles, namely Jamaican mento and contemporary Jamaican ska music, along with American jazz and rhythm and blues, something like what was coming out of New Orleans at the time. Most listeners didn't even distinguish reggae from Jamaican dancehall music or the slowed-down version of ska music, known as rocksteady, until possibly when the band Toots and the Maytals came along. Their songs served as part of public notice that a new style of music had been born and was taking its claim on the musical frontier. Besides its sound, reggae music is frequently associated with the common themes in its lyrics. The earliest reggae lyrics spoke mostly of love, specifically romantic love between a man and a woman. But as the music and the musicians making it made their way into the 1970s, reggae started taking on a heavy Rastafarian influence. Now the love is being sung about was not just romantic love, but cosmic, spiritual love, the love of one's fellow man, and of God, or Jah. And when reggae singers aren't singing about love, they were singing about rebellion and revolution against the forces impeding that love, like the extreme violence, poverty, racism, and government oppression they were witnessing or experiencing on a regular basis. Reggae music reached more popular international acclaim after singer Jimmy Cliff released a movie called The Harder They Come, with a powerful socio-political storyline and an equally strong reggae soundtrack. This sudden global attention and interest in the music paved the way for possibly reggae's biggest superstar, Bob Marley, to become a worldwide legend and the name most associated with the genre. Today, reggae music has spurred the innovation of a whole new range of musical styles, like modern Jamaican dub, and have been fused into many other popular genres, like hip-hop and rap. Yet still you can find bands in every corner of the world, playing that authentic, roots reggae like it was when it started out in Jamaica over 50 years ago. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Guys, I know this has been a very short video. I've been trying to do the live video from this morning, but the internet is very low, and the time I have with the lighting and the data and all of that, I wanted to do a video, but this is the most I could do. I'm really sorry about that, guys. I'll make it up to you. But thank you.